I'm not sure if that is the arrangement from what you have indicated to me regarding the communication that I need to confirm as it is being referred under paragraph 8.2 of Exhibit DD5.
If
Yes.
Advocate Zimbanda can go to the exact transactions that you would be referring to, I can then comment or confirm on Vodacom's set of data.
Okay. From paragraph 8.2, Lieutenant Colonel Hose says in this affidavit, there was a communication between accused number 1 using the number 079-379-0137, conducted Fisoguhle Ntuli, accused number 5, 44 times, using the number 071-5951-239. And according to the RICA information, you have testified that this number was recorded under Thandazile Ndwandwe. So I just want to confirm if this 44 times appears on the PDF document of the section 205.
I'm actually waiting for Advocate Zimbanda to share that information.
Ngokwalana ke kule exhibit leli ubufakazi bakhe ke uLieutenant Colonel Post uthe umuzika ukhulelwa September Spear esebenzisa inamba ke u0793790137 waxhumana naye office okuhle Ntuli uMangalelo wesihlanu amahlandla awu44 esebenzisa ke inamba u0715951239 ukusushilo ke ukumininingwane yeRICA ukuthi ke inamba lena ke yebhalwe ngaye uThandazile Ndwandwe.
We've done the first transaction. We now know that the number was not recorded under Fisoguhle, and Fisoguhle says he denies he never communicated with accused number 1 44 times. You see that?
At this stage, I can only confirm the RICA information, which is Thandazile Ndwandwe. I am still awaiting the data for confirmation.
Umangalelo wesihlanu sesiyazi ke manje ukuthi inamba lena ke ibhalwe ngaye uThandazile Ndwandwe nomangalelo wesihlanu uthi akaze ke axhumane naye ke umangalelo wokuqala amahlandla awu44 uthi ke ngingakusho ke lokho ukuthi ibhalwe ngoThandazile Ndwandwe lisalenze nje ukuthi ngibone lapho.
So it's not correct that Muzika Ukhulelwa Sithemba Sibiya accused 1 communicated with Fisoguhle 44 times using this number, since the RICA information reflects that it was reflected to Thandazile.
I object. We raised this objection on Friday as well. Regarding the ownership as well as the user of a particular number.
Yes.
Yes.
That is a matter of interest.
Can you go to the communications?
Okay.
Oh, sorry, Manu.
No, I was just saying as a matter of interest. Is it possible for a person, two different persons, to use the same number, which is allocated by Vodacom,
At the same time?
at the same time?
Not at all possible.
Never, never,
my
ever.
lord. No. Not at all possible.
Ingabe kuyenzeka yini ukuthi abantu ababili abahlukene basebenzise inamba eyodwa inamba ke ka Vodacom ngesikhathi esodwa ukuthi cha lokho ke akwenzeki.
You know, my logic tells me you lose a phone, you are not insured. Some people, and I'm not making this as a definitive statement, some people just go and buy another phone.
Correct.
And then if you're insured, then you can go through the hassle of going to report, da-da-da-da-da. Do you have that experience at Vodacom?
There are some cases where that is done, yes.
Asithi nje angisho akushona ke into lena engisho ngesiqiniseko kodwa asithi nje umuntu ke ulahlekelwa ifone abanye ke umuntu ehamba ayothenga enye ifone kodwa uma kuukuthi ke unomshwalense ubese manje kufanele uhambe ke onke lawo lezo igaba lezo uhambe uyobika ukuthi ulahlekelwe ifone uthi yebo naka Vodacom ke bakhona inkathi la lokho okwenzeka.
Okay, sorry about that. Yeah.
No. I'm able to move on to confirm the communications now. Remember, we're on the number of the communications now, which is 44. I thought it would be easier to go through on those dates to see if...
I am not confirming any data on here. I would prefer confirming that those transactions or the call data on Vodacom's set of data.
Okay.
Uthi lana ke kuloko okufundwayo ke lana akukho engingathi ke ngiyakusho ngesiqinisekiso kodwa ke ngakwenza ke lokho lapha yana ke kwingane ka Vodacom.
Maybe you can have a look at the page so that you can take us through the exhibit Triple G.
Triple G.
I'm not sure if it's reflected there. You can direct us.
Is this in Triple G, Advocate? No,
No, it's not. Oh, okay. Sorry.
It
Sorry.
is a different set of data altogether,
Okay.
as I've indicated.
Akusena ke lona ukuthi futhi ingane ke ehlukile kanje kwabe sengishilo.
My intention was not to go through each and every transaction. I just wanted you to confirm the 44 times.
I will have to, however, count that there are 44 transactions between the number ending 0137 and the number ending 1239.
Okay.
Kuzofanele ngikubheke ke lapha yana ngibaleke ukuthi akhona yini amahlandla u44 phakathi kwale number ezimbini le egcina ngo0137 no1239.
You're not able to do it with your computer.
My Lord, sorry. We went through this exercise a few minutes ago. I have indicated to Advocate Mshololo and Advocate Poloy and Advocate Sibanda. The information is on my computer.
That's the thing.
Problem is, if I could display it, I would show you. There are multiple or
Yeah, of
numerous case IDs. So in essence, I've got to go into each case ID to see if that's the relevant cell phone number firstly, and secondly, we then go to the period. With all due respect and in all honesty, this data was provided. In essence, it should have been printed for ease of reference when we are going through the call data. That would have made it a lot easier to make reference to a particular cell phone number, the communication, as we have done in the other exhibits. To be quite honest, I feel like I'm being pressurized to give you this information by a click of a button.
Yeah, but look, common sense tells you. Common sense dictates. Ms. Mshololo says his client says he never ever communicated with accused number one. Never ever. So if there's 120 communications, 1 million communications, where does it take us to? Because the primary evidence of your client or version is that I never communicated with this person. Neither once, twice, etc. So why should we go through 44 calls, which we know, according to your client, don't depict him communicating with accused number one, because he denies the existence of the numbers which are linked in that transaction. Ms. Mshololo, where are we going to?
My Lord, the problem is that we have finished with a different document what Mr. Pinky has. That's why I wanted to confirm with the original record if what has been referred to as I've been doing it, my Lord, it's correct. Otherwise, I would have done this exercise on my own, my Lord. My Lord, having said that, since the witness indicates that he needs time, I've indicated the paragraphs that I need confirmation for the communications. with the leave of the court, my lord, I will ask that I pose the questions in respect of this exhibit so that the witness can double check that information for me, maybe together or herself alone. Then I'll continue with other questions and then
I see you want to say something.
proceed tomorrow with this.
My lord, I made an undertaking to my colleague, Ms. Advocate Misholo, that I'll assist in this exercise. I'm ready with the Vodacom set of data. She can just ask a question, then I will highlight it on the screen, which call for the witness to confirm so that we can make progress. I will assist my colleague, my lord.
So you are able to fish out that information?
I will, my lord.
Yeah,
I've
because
already highlighted one call already there.
it's actually this lady, Ms. Cunningham, she's right when she says she feels pressured.
Yes, my lord.
Because she provided this information before Mandela died. And people just sat and did nothing, no analysis, nothing. Then she comes here. Then, am I correctly
Correct.
quoting your feelings?
Absolutely correct, my
And
lord.
now she must go and do that. Instead of her responding to Mr. Ngumalo or Mr. Ramasipili to say, you know what, I compare these numbers, these 44 calls, they don't exist. Because you shall have prepared. Is that not so, Mr. Ramasipili?
That is correct, madam.
Yeah, that should be logical. And then if the witness persists that no, they do exist, then you go. But she keeps on saying, I can't comment because I didn't prepare these numbers.
My apologies, my lord. I think it was ignorance on my side. I thought it would be easier to just click and confirm.
No, you're right.
Yes.
But it's okay if there is no dispute about the numbers. But now your client denies that never communicated with accused number 144 times. Now we must go through the exercise of proving that your client never communicated. And your client, according to his version, he denies all the cell phone numbers which are involved in that transaction.
My lord, the problem here is that is the previous exercise, is the discrepancies which has been shown on the previous Section 204
Fine.
records.
Fine.
So now it is very difficult for the defense to believe the document that was furnished to us.
No, I don't see it that way. Even if there's a discrepancy in the 44 calls, where does it take our case? Because the client says, I never communicated. Well, Mr.
My lord, I think
Mr.
it's
Mnisi.
my client's right to verify
Yeah, fine. No.
information. That is
I'm just
permitted.
saying, my logic tells me it's a waste of time. Mr. Mnisi, what do you say?
I'm trying to
We're
follow.
talking as lawyers now.
Yes, madam. I'm trying to follow the argument. And my mind says to me, assume for a second that it is indeed so that this number 0137 and 1239 had communicated with each other. So, but the issue between the state and accused number 5 is that even if that communication is there, it is not him
Yeah,
who was involved in that communication.
quite.
Yes, that's how I follow the logic of the argument.
Okay, continue, Mr. Chololo. Hi.
Ms. Pinky, let's leave those questions. You'll go and prepare overnight, and then we'll proceed tomorrow. Let me move on to other questions.
Sure.
Sorry, do you have those numbers which you must prepare overnight?
Yes, madam, those numbers are contained in Exhibit DD5B.
But the state says they've got those numbers. All she's got to do, Ms. Bellington, is to see them and correlate them. Why should she go home again and prepare? Because we've got the information, according to your colleague.
My lord, when I communicated with the witness, she's the one who indicated that, my lord. She said she cannot be able to do that under pressure, my lord.
My lord, if I may be allowed to make a submission, the witness is not a cell phone data analyst. Even if she can go home, she needs to be directed, go to this particular call, this time and this date, what is your comment? Then she will comment, but for her to go and sit with this voluminous data and try to sort the calls, I don't think she has the program to
How
do
many
that.
pages? 4,669.
It's been more, my lord, because those were the occupants of the house. This is for the accused persons, which they have more than one number, my lord. So I volunteered to analyze this information to assist my colleague. I'm highlighting there on the screen.
Can you do it now?
I'm doing it now.
Just do it. Let's see.
That's the first call on the screen, my lord.
It's the first one of the 44.
That's correct.
Yes.
Okay.
My Lord, if we are proceeding, then we are on paragraph 7.1 of Exhibit GD5B. The state can go through those numbers. We're starting with the one for the 10th of June. That's the first one, going down. Tenth of June 2018 at 900 hours, 3 minutes, 13 seconds.
Yeah, which number now?
I'll let it be on the screen.
Number ending 0137 received a call from the number ending 1239 on the 10th of June 2018 at 9:03 13 seconds.
Okay, 16 June 2018.
At 15:59 on the 16th of June, the number 1239 called the number ending 0137, and that lasted 59 seconds.
Case 16 June 2018 inamba le exit number 1239 yona ke iyaxhumana ke nale number exit number 10137 kwathatha ama seconds awu 59.
16 June.
June at 18:37, the number ending 0137 called the number ending 1239.
Okay, 16th June 2018 number exit number 0137 0137 iyona-ke eyaxhumana nale number egcina ngo-1239.
2nd of July,
2nd of July at 20:38. Number ending 0137 received a call from 1239.
Inamba egcina ngo-0137 iyona eyathola-ke ucingo olubuya ku-1239 ngey-2 zikaJulayi.
can you group the whole July 2 to 11 14?
Oh,
2 July,
okay, thereafter 21:29:06, 0137 received a call from 1239.
Emuva kwalokho-ke ngo-21:29 ama-seconds awu-6 basethola-ke inamba ucingo olubuya ku-1239 uthola yileyo egcina ngo-0137.
sorry my lord. Sorry my lord, just a minute. I'm just being indicated that the record may not pick up the answers from the witness.
Which record? That one?
Yes, my lord, they are confirming.
She's far from the mic.
She's far.
He's asking that because the minute he wants to listen. If it picked up, my lord, because she's far from the mic.
Yes, let's continue. We're on the 11th of July and 14. Oh, sorry. It's fine. Thank you, my lord. We can proceed now. 26 July and 28. 26 and 28 July.
26 July, 7:53. Number ending 0137 made a call to number ending 1239.
26 zikaJulayi isikhathi-ke esibhalelwe laphayana u-7:53 inamba egcina ngo-0137 iyona-ke iyashayela inamba egcina ngo-1239.
3, 10 and 17. 3, 10, 17 and 18 October.
3, 10 and September.
3, 10, 17 and 18 October. Oh, sorry, 3, 10 and 17 September and then 18 October. You can just look there.
Just we recovered the 28th of July 2018.
What's
And
that?
this was 28th July. The one that I just highlighted now, they've not been covered before we move to the other calls.
Okay.
The witness wanted to respond to that.
Yes, 28 July, the number ending 0137 made an outgoing call to the number ending 1239.
ngazo i-28 zikaJulayi 2018 inamba egcina ngo-0 kwi-28 zikaJulayi 2018 inamba egcina ngo-0137 iyona-ke eyaxhumana nale namba egcina ngo-1239
3 September, 10 September, and 17 September.
September, 16:52, 17 seconds. The number ending 0137 made an outgoing call to the number ending 1239.
ngeyi-3 zikaSeptember 2018 isikhathi u-16:52 ama-seconds awu-17 inamba egcina ngo-0137 iyona-ke eyashayela noma iyaxhumana nenamba egcina ngo-1239
5 November 2018.
Do you not want me to read out 10, 17 September and 18th October?
No, just go to 5 November 2018.
Sure. November at 19:46:23. There was an outgoing call from the number ending 0137 to the number 1239.
kwasekuthi-ke ngeyi-5 zikaNovember 2018 namba-ke egcina ngo-0137 iyona-ke eyashayela ngoke ishayela le egcina ngo-1239
18 February to 23 February 2019.
My apologies to you, Executive Lolo. I thought you were counting the 24 calls, and that is the purpose of the exercise. But if we're going to skip some and then count some, how are we going to get to the number 44 calls? Because I understand that is the purpose of the exercise.
umshushisi-ke becabanga ukuthi-ke babhala la ama-calls awu-44-ke manje masekujongbako lodwa bese kuya kwenye sizoqeda njani-ke noma sizofikela njani-ke kuloyo 44 loyo
12 February 2019.
February 2019 at 12:31:27, there was an outgoing call from the number ending 0137 to the number ending 1239.
bese kuthi ngeyi-12 zikaFebruary 2019 ngo-12:31:27 kwakunocingo olwaluya kwinamba egcina ngo-0137 luya kwinamba egcina ngo-1239
18, 21, 23 February 2019.
Should go to the 18th of February.
18, 21, and 23. One 8 February 2019, 21 February 2019, and 23 February 2019.
You don't have such a call on the section 205. On the 18th. My colleague can just refer to that document properly.
Yeah, if you don't have that call, you can just place it on record.
As per the data indicated on the big screen, there is no call dated for the 18th of February 2019.
Ngokwalokho sikubona lana-ke ayikukho-ke ukuxhumana okukhona kwangeyi-18 zikaFebruary 2019.
21
Just,
and
my
23.
apologies, just to clear the record, can it be cleared that Colonel House never said there was such a communication on the 18th of February 2019? It's not on this document.
Mshushu siyasho-ke ukuthi ubufakazi bakhe-ke uKenya Post akakaze asho-ke ukuthi kwakukhona ukuxhumana okwakukhona ngazo i-18 zikaFebruary 2019.
21 February and 23 February 2019.
Feb at 11:59:39. The number ending 0137 made an outgoing call to the number ending 1239.
Ngeyi-21 zikaFebruary 2019 isikhathi-ke 11:59:39 number egcina ngo-0137 iyona-ke iyaxhumana nenumber egcina ngo-1239.
On the 23rd of February 2019, I see there are two numbers according to Lieutenant Colonel House. Can you double check for me on the section 205 which number is reflected there
Okay, the first
as the
entry,
other party?
the first entry on the 23rd of Feb at 8:52:49 seconds. The number ending 0137 was on voicemail.
Okay. Siqale lana-ke ngeyi-23 ummeli-ke uthi ngiyabona kunamanamba amabili-ke lapha ngeyi-23 uthi-ke ngeyi-23 kaFebruary 2019 08:52 49 seconds inamba egcina ngo-0137 neku-voicemail.
And the other party is is the voicemail number, which is 2782-147-937-90-137.
Bese kuthi le number-ke lena kade ifunda-ke manje ebhalwe omunye-ke noma other party u-2782-147-937-90-137 iyona-ke le number eya ku-voicemail.
And under third party, you would find the number ending 1239.
Bese kuthi-ke ngalena-ke uthole le number egcina ngo-1239.
The reason why 1239 reflects under third party is because it left a voicemail message.
Isizathu-ke soba le number lena-ke u-1239 kuyiyona-ke ebhalwe lapha ngaphansi-ke kwe-third party ngoba iyona-ke eyashiya-ke i-voice message.
11 June 2019.
11th of June 2019, the number ending 0137 made an outgoing call to the number ending 1239.
Nge-11 zikaJune 2019, 1908 start 06 number egcina ngo-0137 iyona-ke iyashayela-ke inumber egcina ngo-1239.
Okay, can we group the next one, which is for the 19th June 2019? You see that one? 19th June 2019.
Yes.
If we can group them, 19, 19, 19, 20, and 21.
Yes, from the
Those four.
From the 19th of June at 21, 21, 32, right until 21, 42, 7 seconds, the number ending 0137 called the number ending 1239.
Nge-19 zikaJune 2019, qala-ke ngo-21, 21 isikhathi ama-seconds awu-32 kuyofika-ke ngazo i-19 June 2019, 21, 42, 07, number egcina ngo-0137 iyona-ke iyashayela inumber egcina ngo-1239.
Okay, 24 June, all those entries, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the same date, which is 24 June. Do you see that one?
Yes. On the 24th of June 2019, from 08:31 48 seconds until 08:44 14 seconds, the first entry was an outgoing call by the number ending 0137, and the next entry was an incoming call to the number 0137 from the number ending 1239.
Ngazo i-24 June 2019 isikhathi u-8:31 48 seconds kuze kuyofika-ke noma kuyoshaya u-08:44 14 seconds. Eyokuqala-ke ile number egcina ngo-0137 ekuyiyona-ke eyashayela inumber egcina ngo-1239. Kwase kuthi-ke ngo-8:44 14 kwaba-ke ucingo olubuya ku-1239 oluya ku-0137.
And then
Those
the,
are the only two transactions on this page.
and then the
Kona
24th,
kukhona page.
24th of July 2019 at 17:46, sorry, at 1400 hours, 13 minutes, 22 seconds. 24 July 2019, 1400 hours, 13 minutes, 22 seconds. I think it's just below.
So
Just
here
below
we
this.
have 24th of June at, here's it here, 24th June, 14, 13, 22 seconds. That's the voicemail transaction.
Thank you.
Lana-ke sinoyi-14 zikaJune 2019 isikhathi u-14 13 ama-seconds awu-22 laphayana-ke i-voice mail or i-voice message.
I think on both, and including the one for 1721 minutes, it's voicemail.
17, 21, 44.
44,
That
yes.
is voicemail.
Voicemail as well.
Nango-17 21 ama-seconds awu-44 nalaphayana-ke i-voicemail.
25 June, 1700 hours, 15 minutes.
25 June. It's 25 June 2019 at 17:15 43 seconds. 0137 made an outgoing call to 1239.
Nge-25 zikaJune 2019 isikhathi-ke u-17:15 ama-seconds awu-43 ku-0137 uyena-ke owashayela u-1239.
Okay. Let's group also Okay, let's not group MTC. On the 29th of July, 800 hours, 8:35 on the 29th June. 8:35 minutes, 36 seconds.
At that time, 29 June, 8:35:36, the number ending 0137 received a call from the number ending 1239.
bese kuthi ngazo i-29 June 2019 isikhathi 8:35 nama-seconds awu-36 number egcina ngo-0137 iyona-ke yathola ucingo olubuya ku-1239.
Can you group the MOCs from 12:20, 13:07, 13:19 to 13:30 on the 7th of July 2019, just to confirm if there were any transactions?
Yes, it starts at 13:19:30 seconds, and it ends at 13:42:23. The first two transactions were MOCs from 0137 to 1239, and thereafter the other two at 13:40, that was an MTC received by 037, and at 13:42 it was an outgoing call to 1239.
Masiqala lana-ke ku-1319 nama-seconds awu-13 ngazo i-7 July 2019 kanye nalo elandelayo-ke 1333 03 amakholi-ke lawo ayebuya ku-0137 eya ngale ku-1239 bese kuthi-ke ngo-1340 ama-seconds awu-20 kwakuyi-call ebuya ku-1239 iya ku-0137 kanti-ke ngo-1342-23 ucingo ebuya ku-0137 luya ku-1239.
Yes, the 2nd of September 2019 at 13:49:54 seconds.
At 30. Second September, 13:49:54 seconds. There was an outgoing call from 0137 to number ending 1239.
Bese kuthi ngazo i-2 kuSeptember 2019 isikhathi u-1349 nama-seconds awu-54 kwakunocingo olubuya ku-0137 luya ku-1239.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm done with what I wanted you to confirm in terms of the entries contained there. You further, on Friday when you were testifying, I had asked you to get the information regarding the person to whom you had sent the Section 205 in the PDF, since the defense was not finished with the one in PDF. Have you been able to check your records and the date as well as to when was it sent?
Yes. I shared the records with Advocate Boloy on the 18th of May 2024.
Maybe-ke uthi-ke ngicelile-ke nangoLwesihlanu ukuthi-ke uyongibhekela ke ukuthi kwakubani ke lo owathumela kuyena ke ama-205 la ayengale indlela ke ositshele ngayo i-PDF. Ngikubhekile ke lo ngathola ukuthi ke awathumela ke nge-18 zika May kuwona lo nyaka kuyena u-Advocate Baloyi.
And on the 28th of May 2024, I shared the folder with Advocate Sibanda.
Kwase kuthi ke nge-28 zika May kuwona lo nyaka ngasekuthumela yena ke u-Advocate Sibanda.
Thank you regarding that information. And then if you can just take down these numbers, or maybe you can recall them. I just want to verify if there is any Section 205 record that was sent to you on the following numbers: 060-306-5201.
Slow, please.
Sorry.
060,
060-306-5201.
yes, yes.
013, the number belongs to Tumelo Madlala.
There's a digit extra there. 060-306-52013.
Yes, do you have a section,
There's an extra digit on this number.
extra digit?
Yes, 060-306-52013.
013, yes. So it means there is no zero, there is no first zero.
A cell phone number comprises of 10 digits.
I will make you a copy of this later. Okay, let me read the second one. It's 074-67-66669. That one is for Zandile Kumalo. Then the third one is 073-1145-035.
1145-035.
35. The next one is 060-804-0436. That one is for Longwe Twala. The next one is 076-455-2119.
076-455-2119.
Yes. The last one is 079-1069-100.
079-1069. Yes.
100. I just want to check if
079
Yeah,
1069
1069.
100.
yeah, these are the numbers of the people who were inside the house when the incident took place. I just want to verify, check with you if you do have the section 205 of these numbers.
Lama number ke eqedwa biza ke manje u-060-306-52013 lapho ke athi ke ufakazi ke kune number nje eyodwa eyongezelekileke ngoba ke ngamalamba awu11 lawo bese kuba no 074-6766-669 bese kuba no 073-1145-035 060-804-0436 ekalongwe leyo u-076-455-2119 no 079-1069-100. Ngicela ukuza ukuthi wawathola yini ama-205 alama number abantu laba ababesendlini ke noma ngaphakathi endlini ngenkathi ke kwenzeka isigameko.
Or maybe even if you have not received a request, but if you do have them.
Noma kuwukuthi ke awukazi usitholeke isicelo kodwa uma kuwukuthi nje unawo.
Offhand, I can tell you that we did receive subpoenas for the number ending 0436
le egcina ngo-0436 ilena ke kumele uma efunda athe kalongwe ngingakutshela ke ukuthi sayithola yona.
Okay.
That I see on the one subpoena.
Okay.
And then I'll have to go through all the other subpoenas to have a look.
What's happening now?
I am going through all the subpoenas to confirm these.
Mr. Sbanda and Mr. Beloy, did you receive the essay, the 205s of all the persons who were inside the house?
Not all of them, my lord.
Which ones did you not subpoena for?
Let's go, please, my lord. There is no section 205 on behalf of Mr. Tumelo Madlala,
Zange ibe khona ke u205 kuyona inamba kaTumelo Madlala
as well as Mthokozisi Twala.
Mthokozisi Twala.
I just want to make sure regarding Miss Gladness Kumalo.
Mfuna nje ukwenza isiqinisekiso mayelana naye ke mama uGladness Khumalo.
And then I can confirm that even Miss Gladness Kumalo, there is no section 205.
Ngiyakusho ke nokuthi naye ko Miss Gladness Khumalo nalapho ke i205 ayizange ibe khona ke.
And just want to double check, and then I doubt if there is one on behalf of Ms. Zandile Kumalo as well.
Ngiyabaza ke ukuthi nakuyena ke uZandile Khumalo ingaba khona.
So we have the two numbers on behalf of Ms. Kelly Kumalo, the deceased, and Longwe Twala. And then I think there's data available on which relates to the wife of the deceased as well.
Engasho ke ukuthi ke khona ke nama abakhona ke ama205 kuona ke umufi Miss Kelly Khumalo uLongwe Twala kanye naye ke nayo ke inkosikazi yakhe umufi.